Have you ever had a birthday dinner so special that it stays in your heart long after the plates are cleared? It was my birthday evening in Lisbon, and we had one big question on our minds. What should we eat tonight to make this day unforgettable? We had been walking around the city all day, soaking in the old streets, the hills, and the warm air. By the time the sun started to dip, we were craving real, traditional Portuguese food. Not something rushed, not something modern. We wanted something special. Something with history. Something that felt like Lisbon itself. That's when we decided on Casa de Linhares. We had heard about Casa de Linhares even before arriving in Portugal. People talked about it like it was more than a restaurant. It was famous for its Fado dinner show, and the reviews kept saying the same thing over and over. Great food, powerful music, and a magical setting. Once we were seated, the table felt cozy and intimate. Soon after, the bread arrived, and not just any bread. It was warm, crusty on the outside, soft on the inside. It came with a trio of spreads, creamy butter, and a rich tapenade that was salty and deep in flavor. We ordered port wine because how could you not in Portugal? Smooth, sweet, and warming. We also ordered champagne to start the celebration right. It felt like a true birthday toast. As we sipped and tasted, I kept looking around the room. The stone walls, the quiet buzz of people talking softly. Oh, everything felt intimate, like we were part of something old and meaningful. The moment we walked in, we were stunned, truly stunned. Casa de Linhares is set inside a historic palace near the Lisbon Cathedral, and you can feel its age in the best way. Tall arches, stone walls, soft lighting. Everything looked elegant, but still warm and welcoming. I remember smiling without even realizing it. We looked at each other like, wow, we picked the right place. The room felt calm but alive. You could tell something special was about to happen. I already felt happy. Then came the appetizers, and this is where my happiness really kicked in. First was Caldo Verde. Simple, humble, and perfect. Next were the Bacalao fritters. Golden and crisp on the outside, and soft on the inside. And then came my favorite moment, the Oxtail stew. I tried the bacalhau first. The cod was flavorful but not heavy. Oh, each bite felt so light and satisfying. Portugal is pretty well known for its bacalhau actually. Now, my favorite. I love oxtail. Always have. If I see oxtail in the menu, I will definitely order that. When I took my first bite, I couldn't help it. My palate was dancing. It was rich, tender, and full of deep flavor. The meat fell apart so easily, and it tasted slow cooked with care. That dish made me truly happy. It felt comforting and special at the same time. I was enjoying myself so much, and I could feel this dinner turning into a memory already. For our main dish, we shared Arroz de Marisco, the famous Portuguese seafood rice made for two. Okay, when it arrived, it stopped us in our tracks. The dish was served hot and generous, filled with seafood and rich rice cooked in a deep, savory broth. And right on top was a huge lobster. It was beautiful. A total showstopper. We both got excited just looking at it. This rice is very different from Spanish paella. Paella is drier and firm. Portuguese rice is softer, almost creamy, and full of flavor. And the smell was phenomenal. You could smell the rich seafood. Every spoonful tasted like the ocean, warm and comforting. We took our time with this dish. It was meant to be shared, and it felt right for a birthday dinner. Slow, joyful, and full of connection. By the time dessert came, we were full and happy. We ordered the chocolate cake, and it was incredible. So rich and deep and smooth. Not too sweet, just perfect. Came with a scoop of raspberry ice cream, which added a bright, fruity contrast to the chocolate. Each bite felt like the perfect ending to the meal. Comforting, indulgent, and memorable. All through dinner, we listened to the Fado performance. The singing was intense and emotional. Then at the end of the show, something unexpected happened. They surprised me with a birthday song. As we sat there, listening to the last notes fade, I knew this dinner would stay with me for many, many years. Casa de Linhares gave us a core memory, and honestly, I couldn't have asked for a better birthday night in Lisbon.